Another video for child tax credit payments. All right, so if you received it, great. If you haven't watched my videos, I explain to you many information about child tax payments. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to check your payment status. That's right. If you haven't received it, we're going to show you how to check. So please subscribe, hit the like button. If you're watching on TikTok, watching on YouTube, so watch the full details. And you guys already know I made a video about this. Watch those videos, great informational videos. And you can find out a lot of things, right? Like what to do and why you haven't received it, what should you do, how much you receive, and more information, right? So in this article, same article, different video. So watch my video, subscribe, hit the like button, and we're gonna talk about here's how to check your child tax payment status. Okay. Now the easiest way to check this is to see what's happening with previous checks. All you gotta do is log into your IRS update portal to your payment history. There you can see if a payment was made, how much you were supposed to receive, how much will you receive, and now you can use it to manage all your advanced payments as well. You will need to first create an ID.me account. Now, if you have received unemployment and need a state, they are also required to create an ID.me account. If you don't know what it is, please search that up in my videos, put ID.me, put my name, and you'll find out about it, right? I made a video about it. So now this portal says your payment is coming by mail, right? Give it several business days to arrive. If you have different addresses, it's not going to arrive. If you have to put the proper addresses, the proper address, it could arrive. And also, there could be delays in the USPS portal, postal service, the delivery. So it could be also delaying that. It could be more another day's different, but don't worry about it because it's supposed to arrive. If not, they'll resend another one. Also, if you have direct deposit, make sure your bank account receives it. Make sure it's correct deposit account so you can actually receive it, right? Now, all this is important information because also if your bank account is closed, they'll reject it and they'll issue you a paper check instead. Okay, so make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you put all your information in your taxes so you can actually receive it, right? Now, if your payment history says that the money was sent by direct deposit, again check the deposit again. If it's not there, check again. If it's not, call them. They might issue a paper check, right? So make sure it's actually cleared. Now, according to the White House website, transactions will show the name as IRS TREAS 310, okay, with a description of child CTC and an amount of $300 per kid or $250 per kid, right? So make sure that's one reason you can check your bank account. Maybe you lost it, maybe you actually paid you, but you don't know where it is. So that's one reason, right? Don't get a direct deposit confused for those stimulus checks. Okay, stimulus checks show up as tax EIP3 when deposited. Also, if you're waiting for a tax refund, it will show up as tax REF, tax ref. Okay, so that's the difference. That's how you check your payment status. Actually, I probably should make a video about that either way, right? But if you verify your eligibility and your account says your payments were issued, but they're still missing, you may need to file a payment trace with the IRS. Okay, so to that you need to complete a form 3911 and mail or fax it to IRS. Only do this if it has been at least 5 days since the scheduled deposit date or 4 weeks since the payment was mailed by check. Okay, so again, if you want to do that, you go to IRS, you got form 3911 and you submitted it only 4 weeks after you're supposed to receive the check. And what is it again? 5 days after you're supposed to receive the direct deposit. Okay, so that's how you check your payment status. All right, so make sure you do that. So make sure you sign up for ID.me, easiest way. If not, I will show you the other examples, right? So also what to do if you're ineligible for child tax credit money but still got a payment, okay? So next one is what to do if you're ineligible for child tax credit money but still got a payment. Most likely, again, you should pay it back. Why? Because they're gonna charge you, and the IRS do checks up and do request money if it's overpaid. Right? It's happened to many people. It's called an audit, and many people have to do it. Now, why is this reason happening? Is because the IRS is sending out millions and millions of checks. If it's stimulus checks, income tax refunds, or unemployment tax refunds, and they get mixed up, and they accidentally probably if you they accidentally send a child tax credit in your case, right, for different people. Now, why is this? Maybe the last year you qualified, but you don't qualify this year anymore. So then they send you that refund because sometimes they do it automatically, or sometimes it's still dependent, but the computer is not able to recognize the age difference, right? So that's what happens. So that could be one reason. I mean, that's the main reason. You have to pay back, and the next deadline is November 29th. So make sure you do it before and you update it so you don't have to receive that check and have to worry about that amount of money. If it gets lost, they might charge you. You know, Hopefully it doesn't get cashed out, but if someone catches it, then that means they'll charge you. Okay, so make sure you do get those done. I give you a great examples and articles and advice. So again, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. In my future video, we're going to explain a little bit more what to do if you're being overpaid. Okay, if you're overpaid, you have to return it. So I'm going to go into those details. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned to my next video. Okay, thanks.